Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making Oha soup, simple, rich and full of flavor. I will take you through the process of making this soup step by step so you can make it at home. I started by adding my assorted meat to the pot. I've cooked this meat previously. Next I went in with my stockfish, my seasoning cubes and my pepper. I added a little bit of water, then covered it to cook properly. After a while, I opened it and added enough water that I'll be using to cook the soup. This is how to pick your olives. You don't want it to be bitter in your soup. Watch and learn. After a while, I checked on my soup and the stock is ready. I went in with my red oil. I'm going in with my cocoyam paste. After adding it, I went in with my ogiri. Stir gently and allow it to cook until the soup starts to thicken. At this point, I went in with my crayfish. I went in with my pamla fish. It's optional. If you don't have it, you can just leave it or add any fish of choice. I love adding enough crayfish in my soup, so that's why I'm adding enough crayfish to the soup. Now it's time to add the star of the show, our olives. After adding it, stir it gently and allow it to cook for just few seconds. You don't want your oil to die. Just you want it fresh. So stir it for a few seconds, then bring it down. Your Oha soup is ready. Taste it to know if you will adjust anything. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.